In this tutorial, I will show you burn tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened an image. I am accessing burn tool from here, which shortcut is O. So burn tool selectively darken areas in an image. I want to little bit darker in the mid-tones, so I am selecting mid-tone. Here is my copy and I am taking exposure 13%. So I am brushing in this area to darken this area. So you can see this is before and this is after. I hope you got the point about burn tool. Now if I also want to burn the highlights, so I can also paint these areas. Which area seems to be highlighted here. I am highlighting these areas. So here is 3 modes: shadows, midtones and highlights. You can use this as per when you work on skin tone, you can select midtone, and when you working on highlights or lightings, then you can select this tone, and when you will be working on shadows, then you can select shadows. Also you can increase the strength of the exposure, how much exposure you want to let you go with this burn tool. You can adjust it accordingly. And also here is protect tone. If you want to protect the image tone or subject tone, you can select this. So that was the burn tool inside Adobe Photoshop. I hope you got something from this tutorial. If so, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.